reasons to avoid probate court proceedings. Save time, save money, keep matters private, reduce emotional anguish for loved ones, and distribute your assets faster. So how do you waste time on probate court proceedings? Probate is a legal process and involves court hearings, estate reports, and the potential need for heirs to reach certain agreements. How long it takes to complete probate can vary widely depending on how many beneficiaries there are, how complex the estate is, and whether the heirs engage in disputes. On average, probate can take anywhere from several months to several years to complete. Meanwhile, the assets in the estate are stuck in probate, which means beneficiaries aren't able to receive them or use them. How do you spend money on probate court proceedings? Because probate can be a drawn-out legal process, it can also be very expensive. Avoiding probate helps you save money by saving on attorney and court fees, avoiding more expensive executor fees, and mitigating tax expenses when possible. How do your estate details become public record? Probate filings are part of the public record. That means in many cases, anyone can look up those records and see detailed information about the assets of your estate and what was passed to heirs. Families that want to keep their financial affairs more private may want to invest in trusts and other estate planning tools that keep these details out of the public record. How do you add emotional anguish for loved ones when going through the probate court proceedings? A probate process that drags out for months or years can be emotionally challenging for loved ones. An ongoing probate process means loved ones may have to continually face their grief or deal with things that pull them back into it. For some, a probate process that is still going may hinder emotional healing and closure. How do you distribute assets faster than going through probate court proceedings? That brings us to an especially popular benefit of avoiding probate. The methods that keep estate assets out of probate tend to ensure beneficiaries can access those assets faster. For example, you can put assets in a trust. Those assets don't go through probate, and beneficiaries can have immediate access to the assets when you pass away. In fact, you might even set up a trust so that beneficiaries have access to some assets prior to your death. Another example includes the use of joint accounts. If two spouses own a home together or have joint checking accounts, those assets typically automatically pass to the co-owner if one of the individuals passes away. The same is true for payable on death accounts, which include many checking and savings accounts, life insurance policies, pensions, and some retirement or investment funds. If you name a beneficiary on these accounts, ownership of the assets transferred to that person upon your death without the need of probate. If you have any other questions about the probate court process, speak with a trusted attorney. I am not your attorney yet, but you can contact my office to schedule a consultation.